C8 Pate back at you with another video. And in today's video, we got one of the bikes back. Hit that subscribe button for me right now. Become a part of this wonderful three-wheel community. We got one of the bikes back, and the bike that we got back is the Spyder. The Riker is still in Texas. Be there for a bit longer. But we got that Riker back. I'm sorry, we got that Spyder back. Y'all know what it's about. Spyder life, Spyder life. Let's get it. Get in that comment section, man, if you about that Spyder life. So, they figured it out. They had to change the alternator and the alternator assembly. So, the alternator itself is like, both of them like a $700 part. One of them was on back order, so that's what took so long. So, we're past that. I'm not sure why they went bad. Didn't matter to me. Had it under warranty, so who cares? They took care of it at no cost to me. If you're having the same problem, I might have the parts for you. I got some extras. So, what else happened? Down in here, the technician that worked on my bike, he ripped all my wires out. He ripped out every wire. Instead of working on it the proper way, he ripped everything out, so it kind of messed some things up on the amp. So I had to get that fixed, and I was very upset about that. Obviously, you know I was. Not a happy camper with that situation. I'm not sure what the hell he was doing, and I don't know why he did that, but he did it, y'all. And it pissed me off. So we had to get that rewired at the sound shop, which is done. The only messed up part about that is the controller is not working for the Bluetooth. This little part right here should be blinking. It's not blinking. We can't figure out what's going on. Luckily, I have that under warranty. So I'm going to try to call it in to the warranty through JL and get another controller. It says I have a 2-year warranty. I've only had that for a year and a couple of months or whatever. So should be a warranty item. I'm not sure why it went out. It was working before everything happened with the alternator. So maybe the alternator caused it somehow. I have no idea. All I can say is it wasn't working. What else we got going on? Had this installed today. So this meter reader, like that. Had that installed. So it's going to tell me the voltage of the battery. Plus I got 2 USB ports to plug into. You see my phone thing right here. And I got another one over here. So I like the 2 phone setup, one for the nav, one for the music. So I got 2 ports to plug into. Plus I have the voltage meter right there to tell me at all time what's going on with the battery. So what I like about it is when I start it, I don't have it started, but I got it on, right? Got everything on. Y'all see that? Y'all see that screen? It's reading 12.7. When I start it, and it you know triggers it, or it feels that it started, then it goes up to like 14.5. So now at least I'll know if something's going on with my battery. I like to see it now, know what's going on, instead of having to open the frunk, take this whole tub out, and then put something on the battery to figure out what the voltage is coming out at. So we got that. If you got that on your bike, let me know. The part, you know, they vary. Some are $5. I don't like the cheaper ones. I think this one was more like, I think this was like $60. It has the orange in there. So, you know, I had to coordinate. The other one had like a blue light, or it had purple in here. I wanted to get something to coordinate. This one's for my fog lights over here. So I like that, you know, like to organize it, like to coordinate. Y'all know them seats still looking good. This light was messed up, you know. Baby girl got on the back of there the wrong way, so she tried to get on. Instead of getting on from the front, she decides to try to get on from the back this way, rolled all these lights up and messed them up, so I had to replace those. But looking good from the back. Get in the comment section. Let me know if you think it's looking good from the back. What y'all think? What have you guys done to your bike over the last couple of weeks? What have you ordered? What do you need? What's going on, man? What y'all got on the horizon? Got some show chrome floorboards? You got a show chrome backrest? Are you guys trying to get some highway pegs? What are you guys coming up for your bike? What are you guys coming up to put on those darn bikes? I think I'm done on this one for a while. I'm just gonna focus on the Riker and probably have a little fun with that once I get that back. But this one right here, that right there, I'm good, y'all. F3, 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 F3. Come on, man. Get in the comments section and blow it up. But as of right now, no, my speakers are not working. If you guys know what, so I already checked behind here to see what was going on. There's nothing going on. What else do we do? We checked the connection to there and we hooked up another Bluetooth. Shout out to my boy at A-Town Garage. Shout out to A-Town Garage. But hooked up another Bluetooth to it and it worked. The music came out, worked fine and everything. So it's definitely something just with this controller. When we plug this up, this should start blinking, and it is not blinking. Something is going on with it. We've checked the connection. I guess it just went bad because of the alternator or whatever was going on. So we're going to get that fixed on up. What else am I thinking about doing? I'm thinking about, I got two speakers on here and they are loud. Rockford Fosgate. Shout out to Rockford Fosgate. They're working decent. I like them. So I think I may add two more speakers. So I might add two more speakers like down here. Now that I'm thinking about it, I do have my Elka shock thing there as well. So I'm not sure how it would work on this side, but I'm thinking about trying to figure out a way to add two more speakers to this thing. Just, I like the sound, but I think it could be louder, and I know I can get it there with two more speakers. Now that I'm thinking about it, I probably don't even add two more speakers. I think it would just mess up the look of the bike. Get in the comment section, let me know. I am happy with the sound, even though it could be a little louder. Get in the comment section, let me know right now. Do you think I should add two more speakers to this bike or leave it like it is? Because I don't know. I'm happy with it, especially this windshield. This windshield just has me super duper happy. Then I got all my creature comforts. I got this cup holder, but I don't like it. It's cool. It's kind of flimsy though, but I don't know. I don't like it that much. So I might add one of the ones that goes on the side, but I notice like a lot of this stuff gets hot over here. So the ones that go on the side, I don't know for that one. I got to check that out. So get in the comment section. Let me know. Do you think I should add two more speakers? What do you think I should do about the cup holder? My creature comforts are awesome right now. So I got the two phone holders. I got the voltage reader. I got the fog lights. I got a little storage bag up here. I got the windshield. I got the music. I'm looking good, right? What else should I add? Before we get out of here, hit that subscribe button for me right now. Hit that subscribe button and become a part of this wonderful three-wheel community. Until next time, my friends, C.A. Pate out.